Workflow.Design AI is a groundbreaking tool that's just hit the market, and today I'm going to cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering incorporating AI into your business processes or creative work, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this. Trust me, Workflow.Design could be a game changer for your productivity. I'll break down the key features and benefits so you can make an informed decision. And as a bonus, you can try this software for free using the link below. No strings attached. Let's start with the core idea behind Workflow.Design. It's designed to streamline workflows and help you automate repetitive tasks. If you've ever felt bogged down by manual work or felt like you could be doing things faster, this AI could give you a serious edge. What makes it stand out is its ease of use. No need for deep technical knowledge to get started, which means it's accessible for everyone, from business owners to marketers and content creators. The first thing you need to know is that Workflow.Design integrates multiple tools and processes into one cohesive platform. Imagine managing your entire project lifecycle, from idea generation to final execution, all within one interface. It's not just about task management, it's about optimizing every part of your process. The AI learns your workflow and can help automate repetitive tasks, saving you hours of work each week. Another thing that sets Workflow.Design apart is its flexibility. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns, content creation, or even product development, this software adapts to your specific needs. The customizable workflows allow you to tweak settings to fit your exact business model, so you're not stuck using one-size-fits-all templates. That flexibility means you're getting a solution that works specifically for you. Now, if you're worried about complexity, don't be. Workflow.Design's interface is user-friendly. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find yourself navigating the platform with ease. The drag-and-drop interface and intuitive design make it simple to set up workflows, and you can start automating your tasks immediately without a steep learning curve. The last thing you want is to spend hours learning how to use new software, and Workflow.Design eliminates that barrier. The AI doesn't just follow basic instructions, it learns from your behavior. Over time, it starts to anticipate your needs, which allows it to recommend optimizations that could further streamline your processes. This is key for businesses that want to stay ahead of the competition. It's not just a set and forget tool. It's a dynamic system that evolves with your business. Another huge benefit is its collaboration features. If you're working with a team, Workflow.Design helps coordinate efforts by centralizing everything in one place. This reduces miscommunication and helps everyone stay on the same page. With its task assignment, real-time updates, and seamless integrations, you can expect your team to be more productive and efficient than ever before. But the big question, is it worth your time and money? Here's the deal. The time savings alone are massive. Think of the hours you'll save by automating menial tasks, coordinating between teams, and handling client requests faster. When you factor in the increase in productivity, Workflow.Design pays for itself in no time. And the fact that you can try it out for free gives you a no-risk opportunity to test its capabilities and see if it's the right fit for your business. Lastly, Workflow.Design integrates with other software tools, making it easy to incorporate into your current tech stack. If you're already using other popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, or CRM software, you won't need to overhaul everything. Workflow.Design plays well with others. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Workflow.Design is quickly becoming one of my favorites. The free trial is definitely worth checking out. If you're serious about optimizing your workflow and saving time, Workflow.Design should be on your radar. Check out the link below to get started for free and see if it's the right fit for you. And don't forget to look in the description for my recommended AI software tools. After testing so many, these are the ones that really stand out.